Hi guys, and welcome back to my vlog. It's Alyssa, Megan. Ava's in the back there. Say hi.
Hi.
And guess what? I'm driving. I'm so excited. I barely get to drive ever because I don't have my full license. I only have my license that I have to have someone drive with me, so that sucks. But anyways, so yeah, we're just gonna go up to my grandparents' house right now. It is, what time is it? 9:46. So we're going up there right now. We're just gonna hang out there. And then Ava has cheer, so we're gonna come back and go to Walmart. So that's gonna be fun. But yeah, I'm driving. I just wanted to say that I'm driving. I think I have my street in the frame. I'm gonna have to blur that. But anyways.
Good job.
Anyways, how's everyone been? How's it going? What's happening? Great. We're just sitting in the car waiting for my mom, but yeah. Anyways, and in every vlog I like showing my outfit and what I'm wearing for the day and everything. I don't know, it's just fun for me, but I'm gonna do that when we get to my grandparents. Again, I'm showing the street sign. Jesus, okay. So Ava, how's your day?
Can you see me?
No.
And good job.
Did you say I'm good job?
No, I said I'm good job. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, I'm putting on Vaseline.
Ew.
What? It's
So-
for soothing lips.
What a weirdo.
See? Soothes your dry lips.
Wow.
Yes.
I think we all need that actually, because this winter is pretty rough out here. My skin is like so dry and it's so annoying. I'm trying to fix it. It's working a bit, but it's just annoying. That's why I like summer, because I just like feel glowy and nice and warm. I don't like being cold. And also I'm always cold 24/7, so yeah. Also I showered last night and I didn't have time to like straighten my hair or anything. I was gonna curl it a bit this morning, but we don't have time because we're running on a schedule since Ava has to be at cheer, so yeah. Anyways, so we're just waiting for my mom. We're gonna go ahead and drive, and I'll see you guys at my grandparents' house.
Bye.
Oh, I just want to say another quick thing before we went, just because like I'm bored in the car waiting, so I might as well talk about some things. There's my neighbor. Awkward. Anyways, yeah, so since I work at a coffee shop, like I work at a Starbucks, but yeah, we're not allowed to have any sort of we're not allowed to have any sort of nails or anything, and I had a few days off of work, so I just painted my pink, which is so cute. But yeah, I just wanted to show that. So. Anyways, my mom's coming, so we're gonna drive now. Bye! Okay, so I made it to my grandparents' house. We're here now. I drove, we didn't crash. Woohoo! Made it here safe and sound, which is great. So I'm just gonna show you my English. So I'm just gonna show you guys my little outfit quick. So I just have my cheerleading versus everybody sweatshirt from Full Out, and then I have these little cute, I know you probably can't really see it too well, but they're like cheetah print gray leggings. They're so super cute. But yeah, just look like that. And then I have these little socks on with the little red ring thingy. I don't know, because I'm always cold in winter. And so these socks keep me warm. But yes, this is my little outfit. It's just such a little like casual thing because it's Sunday and we're just hanging out today pretty much. I think I'm going to go to the cheer gym later and see one of my old friends from my first year that I was there. And we were on a team for like 3 years, I think. So yes, she's like a fill-in coach for today, I think, so we're gonna go see her if she's there. Now I'm also just gonna go into the living room and do my makeup in front of the back door because there's like a little beam of sunlight that comes in there all the time and it's so nice and warm on the carpet and everything. So I'm just gonna go and do my makeup there by the window because it's just nice.
Yes.
You want just a little piece without the juice? Okay.
Wait, let it.
So I still don't have an answer.
This was my sandwich. Bubcha made it for me. Very nice, thank you.
I did not. I did not put mustard on it yet.
That's okay, I put it. Thank you. It's delicious looking sandwich. I'm excited. Thank you. Bubcha made it for me. I'm gonna put some mustard. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it. Woo. Thank you. You're so helpful. Okay. That's a lot of mustard. I'm so excited, but we gotta run, so I'm gonna have to eat this in the car, which is fine, but it's fine. Yes, I know you want to be on the camera. I know. Okay, so we are finally home now. I just changed. So I'm just wearing my black leggings now, this little crisscross top, and this little headband with cute little daisies on it. I just felt like changing. Also, I took a little nap. I ended up doing that, so it's a little bit later because I am so exhausted. I've been so tired the last few days. I don't know why, but I'm just not sleeping properly, or I'll wake up and I can't go back to sleep. The most I've been getting is like 5 or 6 hours, and honestly I think it's because I'm so like stressed and overwhelmed with everything at the moment, so I don't really know what to do, but hopefully it works out soon. Yeah, comment down below if you also have had trouble sleeping because, you know, stress. Love that for us. But anyways, yeah, I think that I'm just going to clean my room now because it is a disaster, and honestly I feel like baking some cookies. I think I'm gonna go ahead and ask Ava to do that with me because it's something we can do for sister bonding, and it's fun, and yeah, doing stuff with people is just more fun than doing it alone. So yeah, I was gonna say something else but I forgot now, so I don't know. Let me think. Okay, it is completely dark outside now, but now that that's done, I actually feel like making some cute little cookies. I have some of those like Pillsbury ones from Valentine's Day. I was planning to make them with my friends, but we didn't ever get around to it, so I'm gonna ask Ava if she wants to make them with me because I think that'll be cute and a fun time, so we're gonna go ask her. Hey.
Hi.
Want to make some cookies? Yes. Okay. Yay. Okay, we're gonna make
Last time I made cookies, I dropped them.
Yeah, so you're not gonna handle them. So I think we're gonna make these ones. They only take about 10 minutes.
These ones are cute.
I know, but they take longer, and you gotta go to bed. Okay, so we're gonna make these.
They're cookies.
They're like a few minutes longer, and Mom's like, you have to make them fast because you have to go to bed. So we're gonna make these ones, and then we can make those like another day. But
We have icing.
yay. Okay, so let's get started.
Mom's making popcorn.
I know. Okay. So it says baking directions. I have to put the oven to 375
Oh, I know how to
and then
do
put them on a pan. Okay.
What pan?
Yeah, so you gotta take all that out.
Okay, I'm sweating. Why am I
Oh
sweating?
my gosh. We didn't even start yet. What was it?
Does it heat it?
375. It's not, it doesn't heat up right away. It takes time. Okay.
Thanks, you're gonna burn me. Stupid. It is getting hot.
Well, better hurry up then. Oh my god, that's gonna be in the...
Good job. There's something on the bottom.
Okay, it's just a glass pan. Yeah.
Did you say it's plastic?
It's just a glass pan. Okay, great. Now we're done with that. Why is the fire alarm? Oh, it's the popcorn. Oh my gosh.
Mama. I'll be back. Hold on.
So my mom just... It's so loud.
It's too short for this.
Wait, I had to open the door. Oh my gosh.
Did you do that? I was doing this first one.
Did you close the... Okay, you closed the oven. Anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna put this on a pan. Okay, so now the oven is done. I think the cookies are about ready. They look pretty good. I mean, I poked them with this toothpick because that's what you're supposed to do. And I mean, they come out fine. So I think they're good to go. You think they're ready? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take them out now. Let me grab an oven mitt. Will you take this camera, please? Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay.
Sorry if it's shaky. Wow, beautiful.
Okay.
There should be some models right there.
I don't want to burn the... Look at this burn.
Through the oven mitt?
These gloves are not good. Yeah.
Through the Sebastian gloves.
Okay. Okay.
That one is bothering me.
Well, that's the one I took out so you could have that little piece of it.
What do you have to say for yourself?
What?
What do you have to say for yourself?
Not all hearts are beautiful. It's a spoiled one. It's a spoiled heart. It's a bad one. A rotten one.
It's not rotten.
Like a rotten apple. There's some hearts are rotten out there, okay? But
You're too tall.
sometimes they're good. Yes, that's why I'm bending over. Maybe you're too short.
That's true.
Okay. Now we're gonna eat some cookies.
We need to cool down.
Yeah. Okay, so me and Ava found this little icing and some sprinkles that we have here. So we're just gonna quickly go in and decorate the cookies, and yeah, then they're gonna be cute and frosted.
It's kind of not Valentine's Day, but we're still going to make a heart cookie.
You don't have to. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day for you to make heart cookies. One for me, one for you. They're so cute.
I don't know why I don't like this.
Because you're all weirdo.
I'm the weirdo, really.
See. Look how cute. Look how cute they are.
Look at me.
They're pretty good. It just tastes like cream cheese on cookies.
Ew, I don't. Can we just ruin the cookies?
Let's use the other icing.
Yeah, and that's why I'm making 4 of them.
Little mom. This whipped frosting thing just tastes like cream cheese.
It does.
Like it doesn't taste like icing.
It's just whipped cream cheese.
Try it?
Yeah.
This one's much better. And I won't go on. It just tastes like
It just
cream
tastes like
cheese.
straight cream cheese.
Oh, it's a little sweeter.
I definitely cannot agree.
Okay, so we finished making the cookies. This is the finished result. We left some uniced. Ava spilled sprinkles all over the tray, but it's okay. And now she's eating one. How's it taste? Is it good?
Oh, good.
Okay. And also, Ava's complaining. She's like, they're so crunchy. I'm like, they're not supposed to be soft, number
No,
one.
they're actually good.
And also, they're like cooked perfectly. They're not burnt or anything. So I don't know what you're talking about. Disrespectful. Anyways. But yeah, Ava has to go to bed in a second, but we're just gonna enjoy our cookies for a minute before she has to go.
How'd you do this?
Because you're weird.
Like, what is this? I'm gonna try one of the cream cheese.
I think it's called a peace sign.
Yeah, but
Ew, don't poke it.
I don't want to eat this one.
These are actually so good. Pillsbury cookies are the best cookies. Right?
Yeah. Wait. Is the one with the cheese? What's it called? Cheese cream?
Cream cheese. Okay, good night, sister.
Today. I need stuff.
Thanks for making cookies with me. Goodbye. Sweet dreams, little weirdo.
I'm gonna say something, but it's weird.
Okay. Everything you say is okay. I just found this cute little like display thingy and I put some wax paper on it. I'm just gonna put the cookies on here and make them cute and have a little display so the rest of my family can have some and like take some in the morning if they want it. But yeah, some delights. Ava poo poo went to bed. I just thought it'd be fun to be a cute little like baker girl, you know? And I've tried a few times. I'm honestly not bad. I made this really cool cake one time for Ava's birthday. It didn't taste the greatest, but it looked really cute. So yes. Like I just think it'd be so cute to have your own little like bakery or cafe where you go down in the morning and you make fresh like croissants and muffins and like breakfast and stuff. And I always thought that would be cute. But yeah, maybe in the future we'll see. Okay. Oh my god, this is like a perfect fit for all the cookies. Yes. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay. And there we go. Voila. Okay, I can't turn it because they're all gonna fall. I'll show you what they look like now. Okay. So this is the finished product. This is what they look like. They're so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this out so anyone that wants them tomorrow can take them since everyone leaves like pretty early in the morning. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go back up to my room now. Okay, so I'm back in my room now and I'm actually so tired, so I think I'm just gonna watch some Netflix and go to bed. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this vlog. I'm trying to be quiet because everyone is sleeping. Oh shoot. But yeah, I actually have a lot of fun vlogging all the time. It's just harder for me because my family is kind of camera shy and they don't really like being on camera, so I'm like, what am I supposed to film, you know what I mean? Because obviously I want them to be in it, but anyways, or sometimes they're like, I look bad. I'm like, no you don't, you're fine, like it's not, you know. But anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching. If you did, please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of me, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!